Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so welcome, and kindly subscribe, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And so today we are going to do a clean girl, or rather a natural makeup look. No eyeshadow. Yeah, so let's get into it. First, we're going to start with the eyebrows. We're brushing using a toothbrush, or you can use a spoolie. Brush going upwards. And then after that, lining, you're using Davis number 3 eye pencil. To know the point where to start from, use your eye pencil to measure at the edge of your nose, and then you can put your hand on your cheek and hold your eye pencil the way you hold your pen. Put your hand on the cheek for stability. And then on the upper side, we're going to level the eyebrow to prevent overlining. And then we're not starting from the beginning of the eyebrow, we're starting from slightly in the middle while lining the upper part of the eyebrow. And then we're combing again using a toothbrush, going upwards. And then if you want your eyebrows to stay for long, I usually use a soap, or you can as well use an eyebrow gel, and then press in using a finger, or you can use the back of your brush. And then after that, you're going to fill in where there is no hairs. Concealing, you're using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and then applying the sides of your brush, not on the top. Concealing, I start from slightly in the middle to avoid putting a lot of products, as I usually say at the beginning of the eyebrow. I don't want my eyebrow to be too harsh. I want it to look more natural, and then the remaining product is what I use at the beginning, or you can as well use your foundation. And then with concealer, I use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Blending, I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. Squeeze out the excess water. And then here I'm priming my face. I'm applying primer. With primer, just tap in, tap. Then let it set. After that, we are applying foundation. Don't use dots. They don't blend well. You'll have spots after blending. And then side by side, because foundation dries quickly. Blend your foundation to your neck and your ears also. And then you're doing eyeliner. Eyeliner and mascara. We are not doing eyeshadow because we want the makeup to look natural. Or maybe, and then we are doing mascara. Maybe you can do a faded color like eyeshadow. And so here we are highlighting our face using the same concealer, Elegant Pro Concealer. Blending, you're using the same beauty blender. Make sure it's damp, but squeeze out the excess water. And so guys, I forgot filming when I was applying my setting powder. And so here we are contouring our nose. And I love contouring towards my eyebrows for the more natural look. Contour the cheeks and also around the hairline. Don't look like you're wearing a mask on your face. And then highlighting my nose slightly and around the eyes, the inner corner of the eye, slightly. And then I want that smoky look under my eye. And then I'm highlighting my lips, lining my lips, I'm using number 3 lip liner. And then we're not applying lipstick. After making sure the lip liner is blended, you're applying on top. We're applying lip gloss, that is a clear lip gloss, and that's the final look. You can see it looks more natural. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, comment your thoughts, and kindly subscribe if you have not. Share this video. We meet again the next. Bye.